Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner uses dual scrubbing brushes and a large filtration system to clean and collect leaves, twigs, dirt, pollen, and other debris in just about 2 hours. You can schedule the robotic pool cleaner to run every day, every other day, or every third day. The robotic pool cleaner has wall climbing capabilities to clean in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet in size. This cleaner can be used on all types of pool floors without issue and has a tangle-free swivel cable to let it freely circulate. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Vacuum Cleaner take over your pool cleaning duties for good. Easy to use and ideal for in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet, this cleaner will leave your pool sparkling clean in just 2 hours. Spend more time enjoying your pool and less time cleaning. The clean you need without the hassle. The Nautilus CC Plus was designed to clean your pool effortlessly. With dual scrubbing brushes and superior filtering capabilities, you can relax knowing your pool's floor and walls are left exceptionally clean. Ditch the pumps and hose. Unlike the energy hogs that are pressure and suction cleaners, Dolphins are independent cleaning machines and do not rely on any additional equipment to get the job done. Save energy with every pool cleaning. Our second best pool cleaning robot is Dolphin Sigma Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Sigma Robotic Pool Cleaner is a great choice for custom-shaped pools that have features like benches and stools. It has advanced navigation and scanning software to avoid those and other obstacles. Link this cleaner to your phone's Bluetooth for instant spot cleaning. The 3-axis gyroscope allows it to climb walls, steps, and benches without falling by automatically adjusting to the angular velocity around the cleaner. The massive filters can capture debris ranging from large leaves and twigs to ultrafine pollen and sand particles, cleaning the pool in 2.5 hours. Schedule rigorous cleaning daily, twice per week, or 3 times per week to keep your pool looking and feeling clean. The robotic pool cleaner can be used on any pool floor material on pools up to 50 feet in size. Hassle-free clean. Easy to use, robotic pool cleaner equipped with an anti-tangling swivel cable, allowing Sigma to move freely around large residential pools up to 50 feet with ease. Backed by a 3-year quality assurance. Powerful, dual scrubbing brushes thoroughly and efficiently attacks tough contaminants, removing algae and bacteria from floor, walls and waterline for a deep clean in 2.5 hours. Third in our list is Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner comes equipped with 4 unique types of filter media to capture everything from ultrafine particles to larger items like leaves. For pools frequently plagued by leaves, take advantage of the oversized debris bag. This bag allows the unit to collect leaves, acorns, twigs, and more, holding them in the mesh bag for easy emptying. You can swap between filter types easily by accessing the panel underneath the vacuum and inserting any filter media before starting the unit. A full media indicator light on the power supply alerts you when it's time to clean the onboard filter. Drop and go. Easy to use, single button plug and play and ground robotic pool cleaner ideal for pools up to 50 feet. Clever. Clean delivers a smart and efficient clean using advanced algorithms for complete pool coverage. Anti-tangle patented swivel cable allows your Dolphin to move around your pool with ease. Powerful, dual scrubbing brushes forcefully attack tough dirt and debris, leaving your swimming pool floor, walls and waterline exceptionally clean in 3 hours. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best pool cleaning robot list is Dolphin E10 Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. Many robotic pool cleaners don't work on above-ground pools, but the Dolphin E10 Robotic Pool Cleaner is designed specifically for them. This robotic pool cleaner does not climb walls, but it cleans pool floors made from any material in pools up to 30 feet. The machine has dual scrubbing brushes, and a large capacity filter traps all sizes of debris during the 90-minute cleaning cycle. You automatically activate the pool cleaner with a remote start. The Dolphin E10 will have your pool cleaned in a quick 1.5 hours. Just imagine how much you can get done with one less chore on your to-do list. Dolphin does all the hard work for you. The E10 was designed to clean your pool effortlessly. With superior filtering and floor scrubbing capabilities, you can relax knowing your pool will be sparkling clean and free of debris. Save energy with every pool cleaning. The E10 does not require any additional pumps or hoses to get the job done. Dolphins are super energy efficient with an average operating cost of 5 cents per hour. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Polaris 9650 Export Robotic Cleaner. If a robotic pool cleaner is the easier way to clean your pool, then the Polaris 9650 is the most intelligent way to get the task done. This smart robot pool cleaner is equipped with Wi-Fi that gives you app control of the vacuum's functions. Use the iAqua Link app on your smartphone or tablet to customize cleaning modes, check in on the status of a cleaning session, or call the unit back to the side of the pool using the Easy Lift system. In addition, you can spot clean your pool using an on-screen controller or by using your phone as a motion controller. Just tilt the phone in the direction you want the Polaris 9650 to travel. These smart features are paired with powerful cleaning ability. The Polaris 9650 features 4-wheel drive to maneuver around obstacles and climb pool walls to reach the waterline.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!